9-year-old Olivia Aydin learned of her father Bill's infidelity from an awful video on TikTok, which led Jennifer to confirm the rumors with her 5 kids. On the season 12 premiere of The Real Housewives of New Jersey, Margaret Josephs exposed that co-star Jennifer Aydin's husband, plastic surgeon Bill Aydin, had an affair a decade ago. Jennifer, 44, immediately confirmed during the fight that Bill's infidelity was with a pharmaceutical rep. After the February 1 episode aired, Jennifer told Page 6 that her and Bill's youngest child, 9-year-old daughter Olivia, learned of her father's affair through TikTok. "We had a blogger leak this awful storyline and somebody made a TikTok on it," she explained. "My sweet little Olivia saw a TikTok that said the big secret." The Garden State resident explained that Olivia defended her parents by denying that the affair happened. "This is my mommy and daddy and this is not true," Olivia commented on the TikTok video, according to Jennifer. "She came to me to show me her comment and said, 'Look, mommy, I'm defending you from all of these lies,'" the reality star added. Jennifer said she made Olivia delete the comment, and soon after, she confirmed to her youngest daughter that Bill in fact cheated. "I sat her down and I kept my composure because I realized, my kids will react to however mommy's acting," Jennifer said. "I put on a brave face and said, 'Listen, daddy did a bad thing. But that doesn't mean that he's a bad person. And when we love people, we forgive them when they make mistakes. And I've forgiven him and I'm okay.'" She wasn't upset because I wasn't upset. Jennifer also confirmed that she and Bill told their 4 other children, daughter Gabriella, 14, and sons Justin, 17, Jacob, 12, and Christian, 10, about the affair, which she claimed happened while she was pregnant with Christian. "My husband told Justin. I was in the room, and Justin kind of was almost irritated, like, 'I don't ever want to talk about this ever again. He's not watching this season.' My Gabriella, she was more crushed. She felt very betrayed and was angry for a bit, but we got through that. And my 2 younger boys, they're neither here or there." Related gallery. RHONJ Season 11, photos. As for Margaret, Jennifer said she has no idea how her reality TV rival found out about Bill's affair, considering the mother of 5 didn't tell her castmates, or even her close friends and family members, about the incident. "I never told a soul. I didn't tell my parents, I didn't tell my cousins, I didn't tell my sister, I didn't tell my best friend. I put it in the vault and threw away the key. I pretended it never happened." Now a decade later, Jennifer and Bill have moved past their marital struggles and are in a good place. "He supported me in the sense of letting me share our story, which I think is very brave of him," she explained. "And I told him if we were able to get through it when it happened 10 years ago, we'll be able to get through it now."